Welcome to Steel Canyon's video tutorial of the 2018-19 online course request process. We recommend that parents work with their students to complete this process. We will begin by going to the Students tab of the Steel Canyon homepage and selecting Student Portal in the drop-down menu. The online course selection process is only available through the Student Portal, not through Parent Portal. Students will sign in through their Google account. Before you begin the online course request process, we recommend that you review your transcript to ensure you are selecting the right class levels for next year. You may also want to review course descriptions with the links provided via email. After reviewing your transcript, click on the course request link. Students will see a different course request title at the top depending on what grade level and what classes they are currently in. Please make a note of the deadline to submit your online course request. All students will meet with their counselor or academic advisor to review course requests and get any questions answered. Parents will also be offered an opportunity to meet with their students' counselor or academic advisor to review course requests. Now let's begin the course request process. All seniors must make 8 course selections, one from each of the following areas: Government Economics, English, Math or No Block, Science or No Block, World Language or No Block, Elective or No Block, and Elective or No Block 2 more times. In the Government Economics section, you must select either College Prep Government or AP Government. If you select AP Government, you will automatically be enrolled in AP Economics, as these classes are paired together on an AB schedule. If you would like to clear your choices at any time, just click on the Clear All Choices button and make another selection. Be sure to click on the Save Changes button to save your changes. The yellow button will turn green when courses have been selected. In the English section, you must select a senior English class. You may choose from a selection of college prep choices or AP English Literature. AP English Literature is only offered on an AB schedule all year. Please be sure to provide a first choice and a second choice. In the Math or No Block section, you may select from College Prep Math or Honors Math or AP Math. Be aware that AP Calculus is offered every day all year. AP Statistics is on an AB schedule all year. If you do not plan to take another year of math, you may select No Block instead. In the Science or No Block section, you may select from College Prep Physiology or AP Chemistry. AP Chemistry is offered on an AB schedule all year. If you do not plan to take another year of science, you may make a selection in the No Block section instead. In the World Language or No Block section, you may select a world language if you need to complete the language requirement for a 4-year college admission. A minimum of 2 years of the same language is required, but 3 is recommended. AP Spanish Language and AP Spanish Literature are offered every day in the spring term only. If you do not plan to take another year of a language, you may make a selection in No Block instead. In the Electives or No Block section, you may choose to fill a block with another elective, or you may choose to have no block. If you select an elective, please be sure to provide a first choice and a second choice. You will repeat the selection of an elective or no block 2 more times to complete your course selection. Once your course requests have been submitted, you will not be able to make any changes until you meet with your counselor or academic advisor. To review the courses you have selected, click on the side on Course Requests again. Then you will see a list of all of the courses you have selected. Thank you for using our online course request system. We look forward to meeting with you to review your courses for next year.